Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the grammar part below the lesson, the famous villager. Here some sentences are given. These sentences tells us specially about the uses of prepositions. So today we are going to learn about the prepositions which are used to denote the time. Okay? We went to Bhubaneswar in June. The train leaves at 3:30 p.m. Dr. Prasad became president on 26 January 1950. Here in this sentence, in June at 3:20 p.m. on 26 January 1950. This in, at, on, these are the preposition. In preposition came before the name of a month. We use at preposition when we want to denote the time. And when we say about date, we use on before the date. On 26 January 1950. Okay. Zinab came to the playground before 4 o'clock. She went back home after the game. Satish will be here by this evening. Hanif talked on the phone for 20 minutes. Here, these prepositions before, after, by, for, these all are prepositions which denote the times comes before the word or the phrases which tells the time or something happens, when something will happen. Here, when did we go to the Bhubaneswar? What is the answer? In June. When will Satish be here? If you ask the question, then you will get the answer by this evening. So, in, by, on, before, for, these are the prepositions which highlighted words tells us when something happened. Let's see with this help of a table how we use in with. We use in these prepositions to denote the year. In 2009, in 2010 in this way. Month, before month, in August, in September. Before season, in summer, in winter. Parts of the day, in the morning, in this way. Okay. We use in. But if it is a night, we say at night. At preposition come with the night. Okay. Now we use at. When do we use at preposition to denote this? When these things happened? The clock time, we always tell a time where we use at preposition before we telling the time. At 7:35 p.m., at 10 o'clock, in this way, okay. Festivals, at Diwali, at Christmas, at Eid, okay. The time an event take place, at the end of the film, at down, down means pahad. Then we use on prepositions. The day of the week, before mentioning the day of the week, we use on Monday, on Saturday. School will have holiday on Sunday, in this way, okay. A date on 5th November. Now about before. We talk about something that happens earlier than something else. The things which is happened earlier. Then we use before prepositions. For example, before the exam. Because earlier than the exam, it means earlier than the exam. Examच्या पूर्वी. Before the vacations means vacationच्या अगोदर. Earlier than the vacation. Before lunch, the same here. Earlier than lunch. We use after. When do we use after? To talk about something that happened later than something else. After the games means खेळाच्या नंतर. Later than the game, it means. After this week means ह्या आठवड्यानंतर. After dinner means dinner नंतर. We use by. When do we use by? To talk about something that finishes before a particular time or date. By 3 o'clock means movie will over by 3 o'clock. Means before 3 o'clock movie will get over. By this evening म्हणजे आज संध्याकाळी. Before this evening. My homework will complete before this or by this evening. How do we say? By this evening. Understood? The next use of a for. To talk about how long something last. For 2 weeks means 2 आठवड्यापर्यंत चालणार आहे. For 20 minutes, okay, means lasting 2 weeks, lasting 20 minutes. So what we learn now, the words in, at, on, before, after, by, for, etc. These all are the prepositions of time. Okay, now let's see the uses of a preposition of time.